Cái tay. Nó cần 13 đúng không? 30. Một 30 em.
Been in this cafe before. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So you still want to tomorrow, you saying? Or
Yeah. Tomorrow or Sunday. What are you saying?
Or Sunday?
Sunday would be probably better, to be honest. Yeah. Okay. Sunday afternoon, look easy Sunday.
Em ở đâu?
Đây 1538.
Đây 1538 á.
Kế bên chỗ chú luôn đó. Kế bên.
Cái này đâu bên nhà.
Thuê.
I was over here the other day. These are all unfinished, empty shells. Yeah, these ones have kind of a yard space. I think they're doing a, oh, he's just taking photos. There's a flower shop. Okay, yeah, this is more like it. This is more like it. Right under the mango tree. Let's see if I see some mangoes. Oh, yep, that's it. This is the one. Okay, you got air cons here. Right, so the same, you got the private entrance style you wanted to as the other. I just got the gold trim elevator. Interesting. Private entrance. Garage gate door here as well. Garage gate door here as well. There's a garage gate as well. So for added security, you can just close it all the way down. That's the garage right here. Right here, seamless little skinny one. Both of them. So if you're leaving out of town, you know what I'm saying? You can just totally lock down the house. Yep. Or if you just wanted to do it at night as well, even just for some added security or whatnot. Yeah. Okay, this is just a little storage. Oh, the bath, half bath is outside here. And a garden space. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. See you up. Yeah. Hitting up. You got little lights here as well. I like that. I like that. I do like it. I do like it. Nice little elevator here. Dope. Look at all the lights too. All the recessed lights. Not sure what this was built for, but it could be just a storage. Do have 2 plugs in there as well. All right, let me call the elevator. Give a little tour while I wait for the elevator. Little patio here. Can set out some nice tables and chairs. Your own little outdoor area there. Uh-oh. Here we go. Just number 4. So they already had it set up for a business here. Dee, 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 dee. Go all the way to the top. 4th floor. So this style, you could have like every floor is like their own bedroom, essentially. Nice big sliding doors there. This is a half bath. So you could do a wet bath shower there. That's not really suitable though. There's a balcony here, really nice. Big pan of the neighborhood here. Some decent sized balconies. Wow, oh, you can put the kitchen here. I'm pretty sure this probably is the kitchen area. I see the hookups to install a custom kitchen. There's aircon there. Let's see what and if the rooftop is looking like. Oh, just this little, same little, not really much going on because you can't see out. But I mean, you could do an outdoor barbecue just for a barbecue's sake, just to have an outdoor stove and, you know, look up to the stars or whatnot. And then you got the elevator here. Taking up that space. All right, so let's go check out the other spaces. I like they have the lighting along the rail there. Okay, so first bedroom here. Second bedroom, also a nice size. With a Juliet balcony going on there. So, you know, you can just step out. All the mango trees. All of these are mango trees. That's an awesome touch there. They have the cove lighting inside of there as well. Recessed lighting, air cons. So, you know, just need to furnish. Sink is outside, wet bath style, rainfall shower head. Have a window there with the frost. Probably want to put the frost up there too for added privacy, since your neighbors are right next door. And looks like each level here is exactly the same. Boom. Exact same style of room. So 4 bedrooms. Kitchen on the top. They put a little shower there. Shower curtain there. The sink is on the outside. You can put your own custom storage or whatnot there. Okay, one more level. So this looks like probably the grand room. So you could potentially divide. This looks like the grand room you may use for like the living room floor. Does have a pretty sure full bath. Yep, full bath here. Juliet balcony, rolling shades, rolling shades. Cool, so you can have an office here, living room set up over here, or kids' playroom combined. And back to the ground floor. Okay.
Saigon Cribs made everything possible, not only from helping us search for a flat, but any other issues or questions we had. Brian and his team were always there, helping and answering everything. Searching for flats from another country can feel impossible, but Saigon Cribs made it possible. From sending videos, giving their professional advice, negotiating the price, and everything in between. To make a long story short, and I could write so much about how good of a service they offer, the service from Saigon Cribs is amazing. It is rare to find such companies in this world. Our world should be built on trust, and Saigon Cribs is what every company should strive for, going the extra mile to help others and build trust with their clients for long-term opportunities.